everyone, ever found yourself in a situation where you want to duplicate a WordPress post real quick, now keeping all the settings intact? It might be a situation where you want to create a fresh new post, keeping the entire design just the same. Now, you could do it the old fashioned way and copy paste the content into a new draft, but that won't grab the feature image, post settings, SEO details, and other crucial metadata. So, doing it manually might not be the best option. But fear not, because in this video, I'll show you how you can duplicate a WordPress post in two different methods with just a few clicks. I'm Aparna Singh from LearnFu, and let's get started. The first method is by using WordPress editors. First is the default Gutenberg editor and the second is the classic editor. Now, to duplicate a post in case you are using the Gutenberg editor, simply go to WordPress dashboard, post, select the post that you want to duplicate, click on edit. Once the editor opens, click on the three dots on the right hand corner here. Now click on copy all blocks option here. Now simply go back to the post section and add a new post from here. Now give a title to the new post and in the block section paste the copied block. Now the post is duplicated. Make changes as per your requirement and it's done. Now the Gutenberg editor comes in WordPress by default, but in case you want to switch to classic editor, you'll have to install the classic editor plugin. Go to the plugin section, search classic editor and install it. Once classic editor is installed and activated, to enable it, go to WordPress dashboard, settings, writings. Here set the default editor for all users to classic editor and below that select yes option in front of allow users to switch editors. And once done, click save changes. Now to duplicate a post, simply go to WordPress dashboard, posts, select the post that you want to duplicate, click edit with classic editor. Next here, change the format of the content to text. Now copy this entire text. Create a new post by clicking add new post. Now here, give a title to the post and here in the box, paste the copied text. Switch the content back to visual and check if the entire content is duplicated or not. And once done, make the changes as per your requirement and it's done. Now that was the first method of duplicating a WordPress post. The second method is by using a plugin. I would suggest you to use this method because by using a plugin, you can easily duplicate your WordPress post with a bunch of other customizations and options as well. Now for this video, we will be using a plugin named Duplicate Post. This plugin is easy to use and is one of the most popular plugins for duplicating posts. The plugin allows you to make copies of your original post and edit them. Let me show you how. Let's first install the plugin. For that, go to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new. On the search bar, search duplicate post. Once the plugin appears, install it. And once installed, activate the plugin. Now to duplicate the post, go to WordPress dashboard, post, select the post that you want to duplicate. Now click edit. Now from here, click on copy this. Now select the elements that you want to copy. From the drop down here, you can also select the basis settings as custom and select the elements as per your requirement. Or you can also select all options or you can select the default option. To make the selections and once done, click on copy it. Once the post is copied, go back to the post section and here you can see that the selected post is now duplicated and you have it here with a similar title along with hashtag too. Now simply click on edit on this duplicated post and make changes as per your requirement. And that's all. This is how you can duplicate your WordPress posts in 2 simple ways. Do let us know in the comment section which method worked for you the best. We would love to know from you. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.